In this video, I'll show you how you can create a group on Roblox. Now the first step is we need to head over to roblox.com. Once you're in here, you need to log into your account. As you can see, I've logged in. Now from in here on the left hand side, you can see there's many different options, and one of them will say groups. Click on groups, and from in here you can see all of these pre-made ones that you can join if you wanna. But if you scroll up to the top, there will be a create group button. Now press on this. From in here, you can select your name, the description, photo, and your settings. Now keep in mind, this will cost you 100 Robux if you want to create your own group. But for the name, it's the name of the group. Obviously it says group. Description, you're going to type in what the group is about and what else you think might be important for people to know about the group. And the emblem is the logo, so you can either drag or you can select an image right here, and it will be the logo for your group. As you saw before, there was logos for the different groups. And with settings, anyone can join, means anyone can just join. And manual approval is that you need to accept when people request to join. Once that's done, you just click on this button and your group will be made. Now it's that simple, guys. There's not really much more to it. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please leave a like and subscribe, as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.